Today we're going to talk about media sources in your new Macan Electric. To check out these media sources, you'll select the media tile and this icon in the top left-hand corner. Now here you can see we have radio, Sirius XM, and add a device. That add a device will pull up Bluetooth audio on your phone. So what if I want to add an additional media source? You can do that through the App Center. Go back to your home screen here and swipe. And here you can see the App Center. Select the App Center tile. A great recommendation is Spotify, but there are others. iHeartRadio, for example, Radio App, TuneIn Radio, and others. For this video, we'll select Spotify. Select Install. It increases your data volume. Hit Confirm. Okay, here you can see the app is now available. So let's go back, select Media again, select your media sources, and now you can see it here in your available media sources. Let's select it. Now the first time you open this application, you'll need to log in. Now we'll use our mobile device to use the QR code here. Make sure you're logged into the Spotify account on your mobile device. So I'm going to use my camera, hold it up on the QR code, and select the link at the bottom. And there, because I'm logged into my account on my phone, I'm going to select Pair. And there we go. Our Spotify account is now connected in the vehicle. Now you can take a look at some of your recently played music recommendations and most all of the features available to you in a normal Spotify app. Let's go back to our media sources here and let's discuss favorites. So favorites in the Macan Electric are a little bit different than our other models. They are saved within each app, so to say. So if you have a radio favorite, those favorites will be saved within that app. Then if you have favorites, so to say in Sirius XM, they will be saved within that particular app. And so when you're searching for favorites, make sure to change your media source to find those favorites. Let's give an example here. Here we have 90.1. We'll select this as a favorite for our radio, and that's FM radio. Let's change our source to Sirius XM. Now we have a favorite already. Let's search another one. We'll do this. And there we go. Let's select this as a favorite. And now you can see we have two favorites here. If we want to see a favorite in radio, we'll go back, select the Favorites tab. There you can see your radio favorite in that particular app. Now there's a couple of ways in which you can access your favorites outside of this particular screen. One is to go to your home screen and then select this again to go to your My Screen. We've configured this to be media. Now each media operates slightly differently in this particular space. For FM, it will just go to the next station from the station you are currently at. If you go to Sirius XM and you have favorites already configured, it will cycle through the favorites for Sirius XM. If you go to Spotify, it will go through the next song in whatever you're listening to with Spotify. You can also adjust the media in the instrument cluster as well. All you need to do is move your instrument cluster cursor to the right-hand tube and then push down on the knurled knob. This will bring up a menu. You can do radio, Sirius XM, or Spotify. With radio, we have station list. I'm going to push down on that. And you can select a station from the instrument cluster, which is really quite nice. You can hit back to get out of there. Sirius XM. Sirius XM will allow you to cycle through any favorites you have with Sirius XM. For Spotify, under the playlist line, it will play whatever songs within an album or a playlist that are available for you to select. In this case, here you can see we're inside an album. You now can configure and use the media sources in your new Macan Electric.